What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Disclaimer: this video is not sponsored, so how can you make money playing games? The app that will help you do this is MPL. What is MPL, you may ask? Well, here is all the info you need. Mobile Premier League, MPL, is Asia's largest esports and mobile gaming platform, with about 75 million users in India and Indonesia. It offers multiple games on its Android and iOS applications, across categories such as casual games, card games, fantasy gaming and esports. MPL has launched in the US with many games available all in one unique platform. MPL app is available via the Apple App Store and includes games like Solitaire Cube, Spider Solitaire, Bingo, 21 Puzzle, Bubble Shooter, Block Puzzled, Bowling, Baseball, Pool, and Fruit Chop. MPL has grown to become Asia's largest esports and mobile gaming platform in just over 2 years since its launch. Currently valued at almost unicorn status at $945 million, MPL raised a Series D round of $95 million from investors such as More Strategic Ventures, Composite Capital, SIG, etc. MPL. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like, then comment done. I will guarantee you that I will reply. Thanks for watching.